All right, we are in Cozumel, Mexico today. Today, we're going to hop off the ship and we're going on a shore excursion. So, we're going over to Island Paradise where we are going to do snorkeling and we're going to do some wave runners, ride some wave runners today. All right, so come along. Let's go check out wave runners and snorkeling at Island Paradise here in Cozumel, Mexico. shore excursion is complete. We are back on board the ship, or I'm back on board the ship. I said we like Tiffany's with me, but I am back on board the ship. And you know what? I got lucky again. I can't believe our shore excursion luck we've had lately. I was the only one on the entire ship that booked the excursion. So when I got there, it was just me and the guide snorkeling, me, a guide, and the photographer. Just the three of us out there snorkeling away. Now, when I did the wave runners, I was the only one from this ship doing the wave runners. There were some other people that joined in the back, but they let me up front with them. Just had a blast. I mean, I was hauling butt across the water, doing about 65 miles an hour on some wave runners. It was a good time. I'm sure you guys saw from the video that it was a blast. If you like a little adrenaline, a little thrill, like to get out there on a wave runner, do some snorkeling, see some fish, then I highly recommend this excursion. You know, and once you're done with the excursion, you're right there at the island resort. So you can stick around, you can eat, you can swim in their swimming pool, you can play in the ocean. They got zip lines, they got all kinds of things going on there. So even after that, you can hang out there because you just hop in a taxi and you come back to the ship. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video, that way you can keep up with our excursion adventures. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.